Okay, ganito na lang, Rocky. Introduce yourself to everyone. Okay. How? What do you mean how? Turuan niyo ako. Sige, tuturuan kita. Follow me. Where? Anong where? I mean, Rocky, sundan mo ko. Saan ka kukuntahan? Saan ka kukuntahan? I mean, follow what I say. Okay. Ready. Ready. Wala pa. Wala ka. I know now. I know now. My name is Rocky. Rocky. Very good. Very good. Stop! Rocky, how old are you? I'm not old. I know you're not old. I mean your age. For example po like me, I'm 31 na. Wait, 40 ka na. Oy. Wala pa akong 40. Halata, stop it. We're not talking about me. We're talking about you. Tapos pa wala pa akong 40. Wait, stop. Rocky, how old are you? Second. Okay, sabihin mo lang, you are 7 years old. I am 7 years old. Very good. What do you want to be when you grow up? 8 years old. I mean, yung mas malaki pa. 16 years old. Stop. I mean, pag-adult ka na. Like you, 40. No. Ang sinasabi ko, Rocky, pag ganito ka nakalaki sa akin, anong gagawin mo? Ganyan kalaki. Yes, anong gagawin mo? Magda-diet. Oy. Dahan-dahan ka lang. Marami kami dito. Magda-diet na kayo. Hindi magda-diet yan. Birthday party, diet. Tama. Okay, stop. Now, actually, we are here today. Ang sinasabi ko, Rocky, paglaki mo, ano gusto mo maging work? Work, yes, trabaho. Trabaho. Ang tawag mo dito, laro. Ngayon, paglaki mo, ikaw, kasi ako magician na ako. Ikaw, ano gusto mo paglaki mo? Contractor. Anong contractor? Malaki kita dun. Alam ko, kaya nga, hindi. Bukod dun, congressman, not congressman. Senator, not senator, stop it. Let's forget about the politics now. Actually, we are here today because we are celebrating the birthday of... Birthday ko, no. Your birthday. Alam ko na, ano? Birthday ko, ako yung birthday. Who's birthday siya? Ayun, si Maya. Okay, kami Maya, just sit down. Ayan, sit down ka doon. Yan. Sige, Maya? Maya! Si Maya yan, yes. Maya! Crush kita. Uy! Nandiyan si Mami, si Daddy, si Kuya, si Ate. Ikaw talaga. Ba't nakaganyan ka? Iya ako, kaya siguro. Hey, Maya! 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 Sumuko ka na, nakakilira na kita. Hoy! Stop it! Kailangan ka siya, say Maya. Maya, say happy. Maya! Happy New Year! Stop! This is not a New Year party, say Maya. Maya, say happy. Alam ka na, ano? Maya! Happy Halloween! Stop it! Wait, this is not a Halloween party. Talaga? Yes. Bakit nandito ka? Oy. Say Maya, happy birthday. Maya, happy birthday. God bless you. Tama na lang si Maya ng happy birthday. Okay. Ready. Ready. Go. Sing. Ako magsasabi ng sing. Ready. Sing. Go. Chori sang he koy na. Chori sang he koy na. Stop it. Teka. What are you singing? Happy birthday. Parang Chinese song yan. In Chinese. Ow. Ow! Wow, pala dapat. Paano ka natuto ng happy birthday in Chinese? Ano? Diyos ka naman. Galing-galing na lang, puro Chinese kliyente natin. Idol niya yun. Okay na, dito na lang. Let's sing it in English. Okay, ready? Ready? Go! Sing. Ako nga magsasabi ng sing. Ready? Happy birthday in English. Maya, this is for you. Happy birthday. Go! Happy birthday in English. Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh no. Rocky, ito si Maya. Oh no. Sorry, wait. Maya. Ay, Maya. Rocky. Ano ba yan? Rocky. Wait. Rocky, what happened? Rocky. Oh no. Rocky. Rocky. Ano tinitig kami sa taas? May langgang, asan? Wala na, isang tagal mo. Ba't mo bulol ka? Okay. Sige na, dito na lang, Rocky. Just sing the last praise. Ano yan? Praise the Lord. No. That's the greatest praise yung sinasabi ko. Happy birthday, Maya. Ikaw na lang. Bakit? Kaya mo nang kalay. Just sing the last praise. Happy birthday. Ay naman yan. Mami, picture. Ay, mami, picture daw. Video ata yan eh. Mami, tagwa ko ha. Ay, nagkamata. Yeah, just sing the last phrase. Happy birthday! Ano ulit ang alin niya? Maya, what is your real name? Ang haba. Hot dog. Stop it. Rocky, you sing the last phrase. High five. High five daw. High five. High five. High five daw. Yeah. No. Si Kuya. Yeah, just sing the last phrase. Happy birthday! Sigurado ka? Yes, I'm sure. Go! Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday! Oh, yeah! Lumulutang ako! Oy! Okay now, let's say bye-bye na. Not yet. Why? Ay, ka talent. Ay, ba talent? Yes, what's your talent? I can do magic. Sige, mag-magic ka. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Look at my eyes! To my eyes! To my eyes! Hindi ako kukurap. Wala magic doon. What else? Different sounds of animals. Different sounds of animals. Yes, what can you do? Dog. Dog. Okay, sige. To the dog. Listen. Dog. What happened to the dog? Nakita ng cat. What else? Cat. Okay, now to the cat. Ready? Cat. Okay, wait. Hey, what's that? Cat. Okay, go. Rocky. Stop it. Wait, what happened to the cat? Nahulog sa bubong. Nahulog sa bubong, bakit? Inagol lang to. What else? Dinosaur. What? Dinosaur. Yes, masakit sa lalamunan yun. Kaya ko pa, dinosaur? Cover your ears. Come on. Ready? Dinosaur. Sakit sa lalamunan ha. Dinosaur. I love you. You love you. Stop. That's Barney. It's a dinosaur. Yan ang magawa na. Bow. Hindi ganyan ang count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hindi mo stop it. 1, 2, 3, then take a bow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bow. Very good. Now to the right. Sigurado ka. Yes, I'm sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Face right. Sorry to. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Very good. Now to the left. To the left. Yes, to the left. To the left. Ang tagal lang ha. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Right. Ayusin nyo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Everybody clap your hands for Rocky. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Maya! Guys! Okay, let's go. Guys, stop it. Bye. Let's go. Bye. Maya! Ako po doon. Ito na. Alright, so that's it for the Magic Show with my puppet show. Happy birthday, Maya. Thank you so much. Alright. Now let's all sing happy birthday for